Alright, so on the red sports, there's this black tab right here. You see, so you're gonna like pull up the seat. It's not gonna be able to come up this easy. You're gonna pull up this black tab right here, right? And as you're doing it, you lift up. Okay, you pull it out, lift up. And it's the same on the other side. And then for these as well, come to the back of the trunk. Pull on this tab here. While pulling, you just push down, and it's that simple to push down those the seats. All right, so after you guys pull this out the way, it's going to give you access to a 10mm nut. 10mm nut right there. You see right there, that's what you want to take off, and that will give you access to take this piece off here. Like I said, after you take this bolt off, it'll allow you to easily just take this out right here. Alright, so after you guys pull this piece out right here, take out the two tabs, pull off this part. It's going to be a tab right here. It's going to give you access to this bolt. This is going to be a 10mm. Take it off, and yeah. Alright, after you guys take off the things, you can just pull this out. It's going to be attached to some Velcro, so make sure you take that out as well. Just pull this flat back, and you can see the Velcro. And just go up and out. Then take off these. After you take this plate off, you should be able to see the top strut bolts. Alright, once you take these out, you're gonna pull this back a little bit. It's gonna give you access to these two bolts right here as well. They're all of these are 10mm, so you can take them out. Make sure you crack them. I already cracked them, so just unscrew them, and then after that the plate should just fall off. If not, just pull down. And here these bolts are, all three of them. For the one in the back, it's gonna be pretty tough for anyone, so if I do highly recommend buying something like this. This will help you guys out. You guys can get it, I don't know what it's called exactly, you know, amateur mechanic, but it definitely will help you out. You can get it somewhere like Harbor Freight or something like that. So yeah, highly recommend these. Scratch that, you can easily just take this off. I'm thinking this is all metal and stuff, but yeah, if you guys still want to use it though, it's a 1/2 inch or 12, so whichever one would work for the one in the back. It should be pretty easy. Yeah, this is, I thought this was like attached to it in metal and stuff. You can just pull it off, so just don't forget to replace it though. Alright, after you guys take this out, head to the other side. I'm gonna do the same thing. Alright, so coming back outside to the rear, it seems like there's only two bolts to really remove. On the red sports, so you're gonna take out this, which is 17 or 19, I don't know. I'm gonna let you guys know as I'm doing it. And then this is 17 or 19 too. After that, you just take out the DDS connector sensor thing and slide it out. Should be that easy, that simple. Let's give it a try. Alright, so this one right here is a 17mm, and then you're also going to need like a wrench or something to hold it in the back, which is also a 7mm or 17mm as well. Alright, so both of these are 17. I guess different years may be different. First bolt out. Yeah, you guys can pull the sensor out of like its socket bracket thing. After you guys just want to turn it down, push this all the way down as far back as you can and pull out while you're doing that, and this end should come out right here. This end should come out, and you guys, it's not simple though. I ain't gonna lie. Sensors like tabs and all that stuff, those are my worst enemies. It's gonna take me about 20 minutes to get this off. After that, what I do, I would take out these bolts so you get access to squeeze the back of these to get these out, because we're gonna have to still use this bracket. It's both 12s. Let's take it off. Come here. Now, as you guys can see right here, all you gotta do is just get some pliers, squeeze it, and pull from the other side on both of them. Just squeeze it on the side and pull. You can use your fingers too if you want to. And grab like a pry tool. I have this. All you have to do now, okay? Now we have the leverage. Stick that pry tool in there, go up, and it'll push the coilover out, just like that. Just keep doing that. Go in, push it out, and the coilover is out. All you have to do is come down and wiggle it out. Your Q50Rs Sport coilover is out in the rear. Okay. Grab your coilover, your new coilover. Okay. We're going to go in with the studs first. We're gonna leave it on here for a second, screw in it like one of those 12 meters above so we can hold it in. I'll do all three of them. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, okay? Talking too much, not really good at explaining things, so let's do it, okay? So we're gonna go in here. Right. Rest it on here, as you guys can see, okay? It'll be, like I said, it'll be easier to put two people, but we're doing something on our own, so I'm gonna place it in, sitting in there, rest it on here. As you guys can see, all three studs are up, okay? Put your 12 mils on there, place it on there, and then screw it back, okay? All right, so you got your stud, your 12 mils locked in there. Now this coilover should not fall, so you can have it like, now you can let it go. And you guys want this black part to be facing to the front of the car, this part to be facing the rear of the car, okay? Put your bolt in, attach, and you should be done. I'm gonna do it real quick off camera and show you guys what I've done. All right, so I did get this bolt in right here, as y'all can see. Now we're gonna work on this bolt here, and this is where you're gonna need your jack, because since I didn't lock it in already. I just hand tightened it. It's through the threads on this side, so we should be fine. You're gonna come here and jack it back up, and you're gonna line up the holes. And so you got a lower coilover, the holes will not be aligned. All right, it's aligned now. It's in there. Knock it in there. Put your hands, or get your thing. 17 mil. Or you can get a hammer too. It doesn't matter. I think most of them will have them already on. Mine's fell off, I'm guessing during delivery. So you want to have it upside down like this. Hand tighten it first. Alright, after you pull that down, you're gonna just snap it in here. And try to do it without it being bent. Give it some leverage, because over time that will become a problem, right? Alright guys, so now we're on to the front. Okay, this was probably way easier than the back. You don't have to do as much of like taking things apart or anything. It's pretty much straightforward with the front. Okay, so here's 3 screws you're gonna take off. 1, 2, 3 for the top 3 bolts. I'm gonna do that right now. By the way, they are 12 millimeters, all 3 of them. Also, just be careful not to drop this nut. You probably will have a bad day if you do. So be very careful, especially on this back nut right here. So all right, so there's gonna be about 3 bolts that you're gonna need to get to take off. So the first one's gonna be right here, which is gonna be, I want to say, a 14 millimeter on top for the control arm. Then you're gonna want to take off the 2 nuts, one right here on the back of the sway bar link, and the other one right here. So both of these nuts are for the sway bar link and the struts. So you want to do both of those. Once again, you want to take off the nut for the sway bar link that's right behind here, attached to the sway bar. And on the other side, you want to take off this one. This one, I want to say this is a 19, and this one is a 17 behind here. Okay, after that, everything should be loose. Make sure you get like some type of bungee so that we're not having any stress on the brake line to hold up the control arm, and the coilover will come out very easy. I'm gonna get to it. Oh, I forgot one thing as well. Okay, so for the DDS sensor, you're gonna have to take off part of the wheel well. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, but it is a lot of screws. I think it's like 8 or something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna show you guys the whole process when I get to it. Let me just take this off, and then I'll get to the other ones. Also, the clips though, you're gonna want to take this clip out, this clip out, this clip out, this clip out. It's gonna be like a whole separate thing right here. You're gonna take that off. Then you're gonna take this clip out, this clip out. And yeah. Alright, all 4 clips. I'm done. Alright, get underneath the car. You're gonna want to take out I want to say like 5 bolts. One right here, one right here, one right here, another one right here. I don't want to say it's like one, maybe this one right here. I'm not sure. Alright, but yeah, for sure take out these, and then the wheel well should pop out. Alright, yeah, by the way, all of those were 10 millimeters. After you take all of them out, just go ahead and pull it out, and it should be free. Just take it out. Try not to hit your bump or anything. So, oh, I got this right here. And then that will give you access to this right here. Only way to get this off, this little piece, is to cut it. So get your scissors, get your box cutters or whatever, cut this small piece off right here. Don't cut the wire though, if you want to save your coilovers for, I don't know if you're selling them or anything. But yeah, this right here, you want to just cut it. Alright, first thing I did personally was take off the nut for the control arm. That's what it looks like right here. And then you're gonna bang it out with a hammer and get like a flathead or something to like completely push it out. It's your hammer. I got like this extension. Bang it out, don't lose that. Alright, next you want to get your sway bar link loose first. So you're gonna come back here. You guys may not be able to see it, but taking out the part where it connects to the actual sway bar. Then after, you just want to take this this nut out, and the coilover should be able to just pop out. You are gonna be able to just push down on it, and just pull it out to get some type of leverage from here. But yeah, I might have to do this off camera because my battery's about to die. Alright, my bad guys, my camera had died. But it's pretty simple. It's nothing too much to it. If you can't take the sway bar links out, all you have to do is just jack up the lower control arm and you'll be fine. It'll be able to come out with either your hands, or you can get that same thing, this, and a hammer, and just hammer it out. And then when you have everything disconnected from the coilover, all you do is literally just push down, pull the bottom part out first, and then just come this way, come on this side. So you're gonna pull down, come out this side, and it should just fall right out. It's pretty simple. Like I said, don't forget to cut this part because you're not gonna reuse this. You just can't take that out. So yeah. Also, just make sure that this extra piece right here that connects to the DDS is always facing to the end of the car. So for the front and the back, these should be facing to the back of the car. Okay. This, line everything up, and go in like that. It should be good. You guys probably didn't see it, I was probably in the way, but it's relatively easy. This is probably one of the easiest coilover jobs I've ever done, if you want me to be honest. It took me a little long because I had to go pick up people, get some certain things from the store and stuff like that, but all in all, if you lock in, this is really like a 4-hour job, if you ask me. 4 or 5 hour job. To put the bolts on for your struts, all you want to do is get a jack and jack up, and you should be fine. And then just go up, and that's it. Alright, now that you have that locked in, you can go ahead and lower it till you're lined up pretty much. I don't know if you guys can see. Right now it's actually pretty lined up, to be honest. So just slide in that bolt. Right, so just put your bolt in, put the sway bar link in, put the bolt in. Make sure they're lined up. If they're not lined up, just go up and down till it pretty much figure itself out. Then after that, you want to just take everything off the upper control arm and put it back together. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to lock in your DDS system. I'm gonna do that off camera. Then put everything back, and that's pretty much the coilover job.